Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm teacher Nikia and today this video is packed with valuable insights. So let's get started. Let's find out how to translate these Tagalog words into English. Iligtas, rescue, tagumpay, triumph, panlilinlang, deceit, pagsatsat, gobble, nakakapagod, exhausting, matabang, bland, nakakadiri, disgusting, nakakasuka, nauseous, nakakalito, confusing, nakakabahala, alarming, nakakayamot, annoying, panis, stale. I hope you learned something today about Tagalog words and how to translate it in English. That's all for now. Bye! Did you learn something from this video? If so, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future lessons. Bye!